What's good, y'all? We cooking with Grind today. We making my... Damn, what else? What's good, family? Today we gonna be making one of my favorite wings. Hennessy wings, baby. Y'all see it. So for this recipe today, all you're gonna need is some tomato sauce, some Hennessy, and some brown sugar. I gotta pull that out the cabinet in a second, but first I started with cleaning my wings. I cleaned them and water and a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and I removed the excess hairs off the wings. Now I'm gonna start with seasoning. I'm gonna a little bit of seasoned salt and pepper is all I need, because the sauce is really what's gonna set these off. Normally when I make wings, I use a couple other things. I'm gonna flip them over and repeat. Okay, chat, while my grease is heating up, I'm over here whipping up my sauce. So I started with some barbecue sauce and tomato sauce. You can use whatever sauce you wanted. I used the open pit honey barbecue. I know y'all be trying to clown open pit, but I like that shit. So I put 1 bottle of sauce in. I put 3/4 cup of Hennessy in and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna let this cook and get to the taste that I wanted to get to and the color, and then it's gonna be ready. And I'm gonna dip it in these wings. I got my wings over here, they ready. Oh yeah, we cooking with Grind, baby. Once my grease is hot enough, I'm gonna start dipping them in my flour. The grease is definitely hot enough. Okay, as you can see, I got all my chicken wings in here. They're cooking nice and good. Now I'm gonna go check on my sauce. I might have to put a little bit more brown sugar in here, which ain't a problem. I'm gonna give it a little taste test in a minute. I just tasted my wing sauce. Ooh, it is fire. Fire, fire, fire. This is always a hit now. I'm gonna make some homemade fries to go with this. I'm gonna let these wings cook for about 10 to 12, 13, 14 minutes. I want them nice and crispy. I like my wings crispy. Okay, y'all, I just finished cutting up my potatoes. My chicken is browning. Oh yeah. And that sauce is hitting. It's getting darker what I want. I might add a little more brown sugar to it. Now I'm cooking my fries. I'm gonna dip my wings in the sauce and then enjoy. That's it. Simple, easy meal, y'all. I just tasted my wing sauce. Ooh, it is fire. Fire, fire, fire. This is always a hit now. I'm gonna make some homemade fries to go with this. I'm gonna let these wings cook for about 10 to 12, 13, 14 minutes. I want them nice and crispy. I like my wings crispy. Okay, Chad, I'm about to let my wings sit for a second. I got the Hennessy sauce on deck. I'm gonna let them sit for a second and cool off. I'm about to get these fries ready to cook. This is the finished product, Chad.